No, we just actors, man. We ain't actually players. They just got us here acting.
Yeah, okay. What's up, fans? Today we're here to put speed to the test for the launch of Wix Turbo, the fastest loading Wix site ever. We are here with Didi Gregorius and Brett Gardner. These guys are known for their quickness, and we're going to put them to the test. Didi and Brett, let's play ball. Every kid who has ever owned a bat knows how important it is to have a good grip. You guys have obviously been doing this for a long time. So let's find out who has the fastest technique. Are you ready for the bat gripping challenge?
Yes, sir.
We are.
Batter up, on my mark, get set, go! Brett's having some issues. Uh-oh. Brett gets it going. Didi, it's a race. Didi, it looks rough over there. Oh, Brett, look at him. Who's gonna get to it? Who's gonna get to it? You're out! Didi with the win!
Didi wins.
This challenge will determine who has the fastest hands here. Which one of you can break down the cup pyramid and rebuild them the fastest? You ready?
Yes, we are.
All right,
ready.
Let's play ball. 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm terrible at this.
Uh-oh. You're out. Point for Brett. There's no baseball without hot dogs, which is definitely my favorite part of the game. Players, put on your mitts, and let's play ball. Ready, set, go! You're out! Point for Brett.
Oh, I thought I'd be in the glove.
No. Congratulations to Brett Gardner, and thanks to both of you for participating in the Wix Turbo Speed Challenge. All you fans out there, be sure to go to Wix.com and create your own Wix site today.